Hi, this is Jana Whitley, and I'm going to demonstrate how to make the Hen Chicks Succulent color switch from the green to the pink, because it's a little bit tricky, and so I'll just demonstrate that right now. Here is what it will look like when you finish the leaf. You can see there's 1, 2, 3 little pink chains that form, and then it switches back to the green. So in row 2, you've made these chain loops, and you're going to be stitching into those. And so for the chain loop, you'll be doing a single crochet, and then a half double crochet, and then a double, and then you're going to switch to pink and do 2 chains, and then a slip stitch with green, and then go back and then with green do the double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, and then go to the next leaf. Okay, so I will show you how that's done. And so when you finish row 2 and you're ready to start row 3, let me get there just a moment. Hang on. Okay, so here you are, ready to begin row 3, and I've got my pink, and I'm going to take about 3 inches and just drape that right on the right side, and I'm going to lay this along that chain loop so I can crochet over it and include it with the stitches. So I'm going to use my hook and go into that chain loop, yarn over, pull through, so I've got 2 in the hook, and then yarn over again, pull through both loops, and then form the first single crochet. And as you can see, I've caught that pink in the stitches right there. And if you wanted to, you could, like, I don't know, secure that, but I'm just gonna leave it there for now and secure it later. And then I'm gonna yarn over again. This time I'm gonna do my half double crochet. So yarn over first, then go through the chain loop, yarn over again, pull it through. I've got 3 on the hook, again catching that pink with it, and then yarn over again, pull through all 3 to form the half double crochet. All right, and then you can squeeze, you can kind of push them back along that chain loop, kind of like a shower curtain. You just kind of push it to the side over to the right. Now we're going to form the double crochet, so we're going to go yarn over first, go through the chain loop, yarn over again catching that pink with it, pull through. Now I've got 3 on the hook, yarn over, pull through just 2. Now I've got 2 on the hook, 2 loops on the hook. Now instead of doing a green yarn over and pulling it through to finish the double crochet, I'm going to drop the green and pick up the pink behind it. So don't bring it in front, just kind of bring it behind the green yarn so it doesn't show up in the front. I'm going to yarn over and pull that pink through both to finish that double crochet stitch. Now I'm going to chain 2, so 1 and 2 with the pink. And now if you look at the back of the chain, you will see there are 2 bumps. There's the first and the second bump. These are called back bumps. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my hook through the second back bump. Now there's the first stitch and then the second stitch. So one that's closest to the green. I'm going to put that hook through that back bump. And instead of picking up the pink, this time I'm going to go back, pick up the green, yarn over, and then I'm going to pull it through both those pink loops. And that's going to kind of fold those 2 chains together to make a point like that. So you can see now there's kind of 1, 2, 3 chains. Now I'm ready to continue with a double crochet. So I yarn over, go through the chain loop, yarn over again, and I've got 3 on the hook, yarn over again, pull through 2, yarn over again, pull through 2. Okay, and there it is. Oh, you know what? I forgot to, let me undo that double crochet because I forgot to hold the pink yarn I have to remember to bring that pink down, lay it against that chain loop, and then I'm going to make that double crochet again. So yarn over, and now again with the pink laying against the chain loop, go through the chain loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go through 2, and yarn over and go through 2, and now you can see I've got that pink hidden in those stitches. And now I'm going to do a half double crochet. So yarn over, go through the chain loop, and with the pink hiding behind it. And now I've got 3 on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. And then for the last stitch, I'm going to go through the loop with the pink alongside it, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through both of those. And there's that finished leaf with the little pink tip on it. You can kind of pinch it if you want to make it more pronounced. And you can see that here's the back. See how it's carrying that pink along, and there's a little bit of a length of that, and that's fine because it's going to be underneath where you won't see. All right, and then to continue on, you'll just again carry that pink along with the chain loop. You will put your hook through the chain loop with the pink behind it, do your single crochet, and so forth, continuing like you did before. All right, I hope that helps.